G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're looking at the Ringke Fusion X case for the iPhone XS. So hit that like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Alright everyone, here we are, we're back again, this time with the Ringke Fusion X for the iPhone XS. Shout out to Ringke, thank you for sending out this case for review. So we're going to open the package and have a look at it. Now the first thing I'd like to say, in true Ringke fashion, it's environmentally friendly packaging, which is always good, thinking of the environment. Again, another case that is military grade protection, drop tested, which I always like to see that. And as I always say, I'm not going to go drop testing my phones. However, it is good to get a case that has already been tested to that standard. Now, just quickly, thank you in the box, a bit of a promotional package in there, and a reminder that there is film on the inside and the outside of the case as well. So we're going to go on ahead and peel those off before we go any further. Wow, and that's really is quite clear. Now we'll just have a quick look now at the design. So again, you've got your temperature polyurethane soft rubber on the outside, and on the back you have your polycarbonate, which is your hard plastics. So soft plastics and hard plastics together. Design, I would say, is a rugged look, but it also has that nice clear shine through it as well, so it doesn't look too rugged. Just for reference, here's the Dual X and then the Fusion X. And you can see that the Fusion X isn't quite as rugged looking, but still offers that extra grip, I guess. Anyway, we're looking at the Fusion X, not the Dual X. Cutouts. Cutout is there for your lightning port and your speakers. Volume up and down, alert slider, power button, and your camera cutout. So pretty minimalist, as they all need to be when it comes to the iPhone XS. So there is two colors that this comes in. This is black, but there is also a lilac purple. But I always go with the black and clear. I think it looks better. We're going to go ahead and drop the phone in. And that went in really nice and easy. I was surprised how nice that just slipped in there. Again, you're going to get the fingerprint straight away on that clear back. So you're going to have to bear that in mind. But there you can see the iPhone in all its glory there, and its goldish browny colour. You've got a fair bit of lip protection there on the sides and the top and bottom. So you can put that down like that. No scratching, no knocks. It's going to be just fine as it is. Just take a quick photo with the camera and the flash on. As you all know, I do that to make sure we don't get any colour bounce back into the picture, and there is none there. Power button is nice and tactile and easy to use. I do like that. And your volume up and down buttons, nice and tactile as well, and making a little bit of a clicking sound there, which is nice and cool. And your alert slider, it's hidden in there a little bit, but it's easy enough to get your hands on. So you've got your raised corners for your drop protection, which is not too bad. Again, I'm not going to go dropping this to please anyone or test it for you. I'm happy with what I can see there. It does have a fair bit of grip to it due to those raised sort of rugged looking edges to it. That lip protection also offers some extra grip as well. In the hand it feels quite nice. You've got to give that to the iPhone as well for that size. It really is the perfect size for holding when it comes to a phone. So the case just sort of complements that. It's got a good feel to it. I don't see it getting caught on anything either. There's no really jagged edges that are too jagged. So when you take it out of your pocket, it shouldn't get caught on anything. Bit of branding here, Fusion X. I'd say it's a good case. Overall feel is nice. It's going to offer you the protection you need. Well done, Ringke. So, don't forget, hit the like button and the subscribe button. I appreciate you all dropping by to watch my videos. I'll have more videos up soon on the iPhone XS and the Galaxy Note 9 as well. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.